Salted. Hi, welcome to Texas Mommy. My name is Angie, the eldest daughter here, and today we're going to be making a very simple but not keto friendly banana bread. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video so you can give this a maybe worthy thumbs up and maybe subscribe too. Let's get started. So let's go over the ingredients. So we have some bananas. These ones are a little old, but I think you want them to be a little mushy and stuff, probably because it's easier to mash them. So yeah, the recipe calls for 3 bananas, but we're just gonna go ahead and use 4. Now the next ingredient is vanilla extract. You can use whatever type, I'm pretty sure. This one's like a natural one. It's from Mexico. And now we have some salted butter, that's from HEB. Everything in this little area is probably from HEB. I know that's from HEB, that's from HEB, that's from HEB, this is from HEB, these are from the HEB. This is from HEB too, I think. And I don't know where we get the baking soda from because I've never actually seen anyone buy baking soda. I feel like it's just there. Like if we've ever ran out of baking soda, I probably didn't notice. Also, we're gonna use baking soda. We have 1 egg and some nice flour because flour, you know, we love to just, oh, the egg. The egg almost fell over, which is, that would have been pretty bad. And then we have some stevia because we don't have normal sugar. Because what sugar? You can use normal sugar, by the way. I'm pretty sure you can use any type of sugar now that I think about it. Yeah, you can use any type of sugar you want. So whatever sugar you have, or if it's stevia, I say that with like disgust because I cannot stand stevia by itself. It smells bad, it tastes bad to me, but I know everybody else loves it. Spray. Just spray the pans because you do that. We're also going to use a whisk and a mashed potato thing to mash these bananas, although I don't think they need quite that much mashing. So you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350. So let's get started putting everything in our handy dandy bowl and mixing it. After you mix it, you want to make sure that like all the banana chunks are like completely gone, or like if they're just like really, really tiny. And you want to make sure that you can't really see any flour anymore, and that it's all one consistent color. And so next we're gonna take our pan, spray it, and put this in there, and then pop it into the oven for an hour. Out of the oven for a bit because we had to let it cool, and it was in there for 45 minutes, but it could be in there for about 45 minutes to an hour depending on like your oven and how hot it is and what type and what year it was made too, now that I think about it. And so now I'm going to try a little bit of it, see if it's a disaster like everything else I bake is. I'm just gonna cut a little piece off. It's very steamy, so. It's not really that sweet, so I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I mean, I don't like things that are super sweet, so for me it's a good thing. Let's show we're filming me eating. So the bread, it's not really sweet, but I think that's because we use stevia instead of any actual brown or white sugar. But it doesn't taste bad. It tastes pretty good. I like it. So we're gonna end the video here. Make sure to give this a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time my mother uploads a video or me doing something weird. Yeah, see you next time.